Where does one go? Does not look like an airplane. Looks like a black speck, but it is an airplane. It's pulled really fast. Some of his buddies. Make sure you get it on me.
Okay.
Watch it, you do it. Ow, ow, ow. Climbing on these rocks really does hurt. Hermit crab. It's a hermit crab. That's a hermit crab. There he is. But he's not moving. And you can't really see. Okay. He's not moving at all. Oh, there's one. One up here, and then to here. Anyways, there's the pool.
He's hiding from the people.
Down there, see us right above my finger. Doesn't look like a board. What it is. I don't know what kind of board, but it's a board.